Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down in order to find other security settings, and as you can see, the second section is connected with the credential storage, and here we've got the option clear credentials, so simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so tap on OK. And if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, so the pattern pin or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see here, we've got the info that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.